Oh, hey, Kevin. How are you doing? Oh, Kevin? Kevin? Are you... Oh, whoa, Kevin, calm down. It's me. 911, 911. Toot, 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 toot. Oh my God, what happened here? Wait, A random dude comes up to his house 1 hour later. Madam, I'm so sorry for your loss. He was worthy. He was my everything. It's okay, madam. I got your back. Well, let's report this to the news.
Okay, you ready for a motorbike ride?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now we're talking.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Please stand by. Information will follow. Multiple reports and sightings of a gray figure which is approximately 10 feet tall, has tall arms and legs, and has really sharp claws and teeth. This anomaly is very dangerous and everyone is advised to remain indoors. Do not leave your home until absolutely necessary, like food shopping or clothing. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. Barricade all doors and windows. And if you hear any knocking or see something off at your home or hearing something in your attic, evacuate immediately. We do not have any further information at this time. Normal programming shall resume.
Try to make friends.
Want a Dorito?
Hey everyone! The new containing out Doritos!
Doritos?
This message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. We have learned that the creature is hostile and extremely sensitive to sound. It prefers the dark. If you hear any weird noises, do not investigate. Remember to barricade all doors and windows and lock them securely. There have been multiple reports of the entity breaking into people's homes. Only go outside if absolutely necessary. Do not check under your bed. Remain inside your homes. Stay safe and check every room carefully. If you see something suspicious, contact the authorities immediately. Normal programming shall now resume.
First, they're sour. Then they're sweet. Sour, sweet, gone.
Ketchup commercial. I was at this super posh restaurant. Super posh. The type of place that has chandeliers and paintings on the wall and way too many forks. I think classical music was playing, but maybe it was jazz. No, definitely classical. The hostess walks up to me and she said, "Mr. Sheeran, is this your first time dining with us?" And I say, "Yep." The waiter comes over. He's telling me about the specials. Super fancy vegetables, fancy sauces. I said, "Sounds fancy." So fast forward and the food comes. The waiter goes on to tell me, "We are proud to present this farm-to-table blah blah blah, posh and fancy blah blah blah, with a side of blah blah blah." You know, the food looked good. I just thought there was something missing. So I reach into my bag and I take out the only thing that can complete me. And at that point, the whole world came to a stop. And the waiter was screaming through his eyes. So that's my idea. Do you want to do it?
This message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a drill. The creature can fly and will attack you when spotted. There's no point in running once you've been targeted. You've been exposed. Turn off all lights and hide in a secure spot, such as a basement, attic, or under furniture. Do not investigate any strange or unexpected noises. If you hear people begging to be let in, do not open the door. It's the creature trying to lure you into a trap. Start hiding now. This message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is a final warning. The creature is highly aggressive and capable of severe destruction. Multiple reports confirm sightings near residential areas. All residents are instructed to immediately seek shelter in secure locations such as basements or interior rooms without windows. Do not attempt to confront or engage the creature under any circumstances. Remain indoors until further notice. This is not a drill. Repeat, this is not a drill. Authorities are working to contain the threat. Updates will follow as information becomes available.
Evacuate immediately. I repeat, evacuate immediately. The creature has overthrown us in America. America has fallen, and the government is confirmed dead. So, if you are still here, evacuate and hide as much as you can. And if you are in the affected areas, evacuate immediately. There is no point in running. Go as fast as you can. Normal programming has been suspended. Please evacuate now. The government is confirmed dead.
She's going to save you. You think your little bubble is going to keep you safe? Short static burst. Join the infection. Step outside. Smile. Walk into the dark. Go on. Look in the mirror. Whisper behind the yelling at. Come on. Join us. Forever. Voice shift slower, more aggressive.
That was not us. That was not broadcasted. That was a hijack. Do not listen to what it says. Nobody knows what the creature said. Do not listen. Do not listen. Do not listen. This is all a prank. Come outside. Come outside. Come outside. Come outside. You think your little bubble is going to keep you safe? No, because I know where you are. I see you. You can't escape. Come outside, you scaredy cat. I know you want to come outside. That was another hijack. Do not listen to what it says. We have managed to take back control, but do not listen to what it says. I repeat, do not listen to what it says. The United States has fallen. The creature has reached into Canada. All Canadian citizens are advised to remain in their homes until further notice. The creature has infected and killed many people. If anyone in the United States is listening, you're on your own. The United States government has collapsed and is confirmed dead. Try to hide and gather supplies as best you can. You can no longer rely on us or the government. You're on your own.
All Canadian citizens, the United States of America has fallen, and everyone is advised to remain indoors because the creature made America fall. Do not engage with this creature. Go to a basement or any interior rooms without windows. If you see something unusual, contact 911 immediately. If you find yourself near the creature, get firearms such as knives, pistols, or other weapons. You can no longer rely on the U.S. government.
The United States has fallen to the entity. Now, Canada faces immediate danger. This message is transmitted at the request of the Canadian government. Due to the escalating threat, an immediate evacuation order is in effect for all affected regions. Citizens are instructed to leave their homes safely and proceed to the nearest designated evacuation centers. Avoid unnecessary travel and stay alert for emergency personnel. This is not a drill. Repeat, this is not a drill. Secure all doors and windows before leaving. Stay calm and follow official instructions. Further updates will follow. Normal programming will resume shortly.
That's it, everyone. We're about to win. We're about to win this battle. Oh, my leg. Soldiers, attack. Yes, sir. We will attack right now. Open fire. They all start shooting, and then the creature boss shows up. Ha ha ha! Did you really think it'll be that easy? No. Ha ha ha! Oh, you stupid humans. Now you gotta fight me. More creatures start to show up, but they don't stop there. They bring out cyborgs. Ready for operation, ready to destroy creatures. They do it, but they start firing. Ah! Come on, keep shooting, soldiers. We're gonna win. We're gonna win this fight. Come on, we can win these stupid creatures. We can overpower them. Yes! It is time to take back the world. Cyborgs, start firing. Yes, sir, we will fire. My 4 eyes! Easy termination. Now it's time to destroy those idiots. Yes, we're winning, soldiers. We're about to win. Doot, 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 doot. Yes, yes. We're about to... Get off me! Yeah. Now it's time to end this once and for all. Something walks past by the place. Found you! No! Alright. Well, looks like there's no creatures in sight. Well, it's time to broadcast this to the news. There's no more. Yes, let's have trace of it.
This is an administrative message issued at 11:17 a.m. local time, June 22nd, 2025. The threat has been neutralized. The hostile creature responsible for recent events has been confirmed deceased by emergency response units. You may now resume normal activity. All infected individuals have been safely contained and placed under federal quarantine. Investigation confirms the incident was caused by a scientific accident. The individual responsible, identified as Dr. Billy Henrik, has been fined $10,000 for violation of federal biohazard protocol. Please note, you may now move freely. You may resume daily routines. Remain indoors for the next 2 hours while cleanup operations conclude. There is no longer any active threat to the public. This concludes this administrative message. Normal programming will resume shortly.
I can't wait to die. Oh, wow.